Okay, this one's a little bit more tricky. To get 2x squared, we'd have to have 2x and x. To get 4, we can have 1 and 4, or 2 and 2. Now we're still trying to find numbers that times to make 4, which we've done, but they need to add to make 9. So we need to times these by a pair of these to get 9x. So one way of doing it is if we have 2x and 4, so 2x times 4 gives 8, and x times the 1 equals x. And 8x add x is 9x. So this is the pairs that we want. Now this is harder, and it really only comes up in higher tier. So to determine which bit, which ones to put in the bracket. So when we did this, this was linked to that one, and this was linked to that one. Now the reason it's harder is because the only way you can times them is if they're in opposite brackets. When we expand brackets, they only times when they're opposite brackets. Now one way over the years that I've figured out how to do this is if we link the diagonal, so this is x plus 4, and we've also got 2x plus 1. Okay, next one, factors. We've got x and 5x, and we've got 1 and 2. Now we need to get minus 2, so one of these is going to be minus, and one of them is going to be positive. We don't know which one yet. Now we need to get minus 9. Now the way to get minus 9 is minus 5x times minus 2, which gives you minus 10, and then x times 1, or positive 1, which gives you 1. Now minus 10 add 1 gives you this minus 9 that we're trying to get. So that means that this is in one bracket and this is in the other bracket. So we've got 5x add 1 in one bracket and x minus 2 in the other bracket. Okay, next one. We have got 1 and 3. Now that times to make 3, but we need minus 16, so these are both going to have to be negative. We've got 1x or x, and we've got 5x, and we're trying to get minus 16, so we're going to have to do 5x times minus 3, which gives minus 15x, and then we're going to have to do x times minus 1, which gives another x, minus x. So that means that the 5x is with the minus 1, and the x is with the minus 3. So we've got 5x minus 3, and we've got x minus 1.